Today, we are going to learn about the two sounds that the letter G makes. The letter G is one of the few consonants that makes more than one sound. It makes a hard sound g, 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 and the soft sound j, j, j. There are a few simple rules that you can learn that will help you recall when to make the hard G sound when reading a word, g, 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 or the soft G sound when reading a word, j, j, j. Let's listen to these two stories that will help you recall when the G makes the hard sound or the soft sound. The letter G usually makes its hard sound g, g, g when it is followed by one of the consonants or the letter A, O, or U. The letter G usually makes its soft sound j, j, j when it is followed by the letters E, I, or Y. I will tell you a story that will help you remember when the letter G makes its hard sound g or its soft sound j. Now, the letter G liked to play outside in the garden with its friends, the consonants, and the big vowels A, O, and U. It loved playing outside all day, making lots of noise. It would say g g g g g g g g g all day long. But when it was time to go inside, he'd suddenly turn very quiet. He'd tiptoe in and make its gentle sound j j j j j j because he had three baby siblings. His siblings were E, I, and Y, and they loved to follow him around. So he'd make his gentle sound j, j, j around them to avoid them waking up and following him. The letter G says g, 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 g. The letter G says g, g, g when it is in the garden. He loves to play with his best pals, his best pals, his best pals. He loves to play with his best pals, the consonants and A, O, and U. But when it starts to rain outside, rain outside, rain outside, but when it starts to rain outside, he knows he must go in. He must go into the house, to the house, to the house. He must go in to the house and be nice and quiet. He must be nice and quiet so, quiet so, quiet so. He must be nice and quiet so his siblings will stay quiet. The A, the E, and Y, the A, the E, and Y, the A and E and Y will know that he is there. So he creeps by and says, j, 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 j. So he creeps by and says, j, 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 j. So they won't start following him. Let's play the letter G Roadrunner game. If you see the letter G followed by a consonant, the letter A, the letter O, or the letter U, you will run and say g, 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 since the letter G usually makes the hard sound g when it's followed by a consonant, the letter A, the letter O, or the letter U. But if you see the letter G followed by a vowel, E, I, or Y, you will crawl because when the letter G is followed by the vowel E, the vowel I, or the Y, which is sometimes a vowel, it usually makes the soft sound J, J, J. Here's the letter G. It's being followed by the consonant L. Will you run or crawl? That's right. You should run and make the sound G, G, G. Because when the letter G is followed by a consonant, it makes the hard sound G, G, G. Stop running. Here's the letter G again. It's being followed by the vowel E. Should you run or crawl? That's right. You should crawl and make the soft sound J, J, J. Because when the letter G is followed by the E, it usually makes the soft sound J, J, J. Stop crawling. Here's the letter G. It's being followed by the A. Should you run or crawl? That's right. You should run and make the sound G, G, G. Because the letter G usually makes the hard sound G when it's followed by the A. Stop running. Here's the letter G again. It's being followed by the I. Should you run or crawl? That's right. You should crawl. The letter G, when followed by the I, usually says J, J, J. Here's the letter G again. It's being followed by the Y. Should you run or crawl? That's right. You should crawl because the letter G, when it's being followed by the Y, usually says J, J, J. Here's the letter G again. It's being followed by the O. Should you run or crawl? That's right, you should run because the letter G, when followed by the O, usually says G, G, G. Here's the last one. The letter G is being followed by the U. Should you run or crawl? That's right, you should run because the letter G makes the sound G, G, G when it's being followed by the U. If you enjoyed watching this video, please remember to like and subscribe so that we can continue making videos for you. Thank you.